Oh, I got one. Oh my Lord. Didn't even know. Jeez. Oh, wow. Must be a real small one. What do we got? Ah, I got another bluegill. Ooh, swallowed it whole too. Nice bluegill. Nice bluegill. Hello folks, and welcome to another edition of Fly Guy Ron. Well, the top action I mentioned last week is finally here and showcased in this week's video. The bluegill definitely were hungry for the number 10 Chartreuse poppers during the session, and they were not shy about it. You'll be happy to know that I have included some fly fishing tips throughout the video to help you catch more fish. Let me know if you have any questions or topics that you would like me to include in the upcoming videos. As always, please remember to subscribe to the channel by clicking the icon below. Thanks again for visiting my channel. Enjoy the video, and I wish all of you tight lines. Ooh, nice. Nice take. Okay. Bluegill are out today. Okay. Nice bluegill. Nice color. Very nice bluegill. Ooh, finally. Looks like a bluegill. Nice. Okay. Small little guy. Okay. Okay. We've got a 8-inch bluegill here on the hopper. Ooh, got one. Small guy. Nice take. Nice fish. Nice bluegill. Ooh, got one. Nice. Oh man, did he go at that? He attacked it. Small, but he attacked it. Oh boy, nice little bluegill. Almost swallowed it whole.